Let's do this. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Today we're here at the hill.
Awesome. With
the 22S Losi Maxxis short course truck. Let's have some fun. Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate behind the camera today.
Amelia's hanging out with us too, and Popeye is at home because no dogs are allowed in this park. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We have the Losi 22S Maxxis back out, and I said, Nate, let's take it on the hill.
Absolutely.
And just have some bashing fun. We do have plans and dreams of taking this down to a racing track and just having some fun with it, but today we're just gonna have some good old bashing fun. If you want to learn more about this truck, go check out our speed test video. We'll show you under the hood and everything. Today is just all about fun, so let's get at it.
This is going to be really interesting because you're going to have to hit this super fast because it's rear wheel drive. I think it can make it up the hill though.
Have we had a rear wheel drive make it up the hill?
If we have, it's been a long time, so let's see what it's got. Right. Go, go, go. So just so you guys know, we did.
Gosh, did you see the
yeah, I mean, there's nothing. It's like, there's not even a hill there.
Oh,
that's amazing, I see it. For two-wheel drive to just blast up there like that was crazy. Now just so you guys know, this has a 2S battery in it. We took the 3-cell battery out to slow it down some for the bashing video.
Purposely going slow.
Right. Okay, so see, once you get stuck, I mean, not that a 4-wheel drive totally could do that. Look at you go. You're climbing. There's a little root there. That's what you're stuck on. You got that. Come on, come on. Hit it at a different angle. I think you'll get it. Ah. We'll do one, get to the top of the hill one more time, and then I gotta try it. Yeah. Just blasts up there. Yeah.
Really like
that's awesome. That is so awesome.
I love short course trucks.
Wow.
All right, Nate, your turn.
Go about medium throttle, see what it can do.
That peeling out was so much fun.
Yeah.
You're doing good too.
I like that. I might like that more than the 4-wheel drive setup.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
just because of the
there was a ditch there.
Just because of the peeling out is so much fun.
One more time.
Woo!
That is just a rocket. Wow. I was not really expecting that because of the 2-wheel drive. I honestly thought this would kind of struggle to get up this big hill. All right, I gotta blast it up the hill one more time, and then I kind of want to do some donuts in the gravel here and hit the ramp a little bit. So this is just like, oh no, I gotta there's a root up there. I gotta climb this down.
I think everybody needs another Nate fall. This would be the perfect spot.
Go, go, go.
I put Amelia's hood up to keep gravel from her.
This is kind of interesting, the way it drives, the way it feels because of that. What is that? What's that like automatic stuff called that it has?
Active vehicle control?
Active vehicle control, yeah. It helps keep it like on track. It's I
really
can
cool.
tell. It doesn't want to do crazy donuts. There we go, there, we got it going now. Had to work to get it. I like rear wheel drive on this. It is not holding back at all. You're not really missing out on anything. Look at that. The fact that the wheel was turning right there was on its own. Watch, I'm gonna try to do that again. So the active track, I am not touching the wheel at all, but you can see that it was pulling left really hard.
That is so
watch
cool.
this, watch. I'm forcing it into this spin, and now the wheel turns right completely on its own, okay? I was focused on, sorry about that. But that is amazing because—
Whose truck is this?
That's yours. I'm sorry about that. One more time. Hopefully people can see that.
They're all my trucks, let's be real.
Hey, look at this. Look, 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 look. See, that it automatically, I want you to try that. Here, you take over, and I think you're going to be amazed at this. This is really cool. Okay, so just get a feel for it. Get it into a spin, and then let go of the wheel altogether. See? 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. So she's forcing it in donut, and right now the wheel turns left. That was completely on its own. One more time. Forcing it into a donut, and then the wheel goes, there we go. When it kicks to the opposite direction, that's the truck saying, hey, I got this. Get up that hill, get up that hill. Woo! This thing is awesome. I like Losi. This is an awesome truck.
It's not
So awesome.
disappointing at all.
No, my gosh, it's so awesome.
It's really cool.
Okay, I think we can try to smack that ramp a couple times. What do you think?
Yeah, let's not have Amelia behind it.
No, let's just ramp it over Amelia. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, small ramp, and remember this is only on 2S, but here we go. Oh wow, wow, that was a lot of air. That was a lot of air. I didn't expect that. That was like maybe not even half throttle. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can get this better here. Ouch. That's the thing about short course trucks. When they land upside down, they are loud. Very nice. Oh, whoa.
Oh, the bumper. All right. Get a nice smooth landing for them. Or not. Let's do this. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh.
Woo.
Wow. Yeah. Go, 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 go. You missed. We need a wider ramp. Let's go. Oh, my truck.
I'll let you drive now.
Thanks. All right, this is my favorite spot.
Mine too. It usually kicks up a lot of red clay, dirt, dust, and I have a feeling this is going to a lot. This truck just looks so good on dirt and just an all-around awesome basher. Look at it go. Now, it says on the website this is a great racing truck right out of the box, but it's also a good basher. And that's what we wanted to test because we don't have any close racing tracks. We didn't know the weather was going to be this nice, otherwise we might have gone down to the Leveland track. But trust us guys, one day we are going to get back down there and we will bash this thing around and race it around the track for you. I mean, for two-wheel drive, this thing just doesn't act like it's two-wheel drive, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Something about it, maybe the tires, maybe the weight distribution.
The only thing that seems two-wheel drive is just how much it's peeling out.
Yeah.
But that is so cool, I love that.
So what do you think? I mean, you're the short course truck lover. I'm not going to even call you an expert because I don't think we're experts on anything.
This is like really easy to drive. We've only flipped it like because of the...
Just crazy stuff.
Yeah, but like usually here...
Oh! Oh! You hit that root and you just went flying.
Usually when we're here, you guys know if you've watched us before, we flip our trucks all the time right here.
As Abby was saying earlier, you guys know when we drive here, stuff flips and rolls all the time. This thing just doesn't want to turn over. And it just looks amazing too, doesn't it? It looks real.
Yeah.
And it looks professional. That's because it is. This is Losi. Why did we wait so long, Abby, to pick up a Losi truck?
I don't know, because we're stupid.
Yeah, I guess.
Because we know nothing.
Oh, a little water there. Well, let me drive it a hair here.
See, look at that.
Yeah.
I should have flipped, but it corrected my mistake.
Right.
That is wild.
Yeah. This is impressive.
Like, it corrects itself when it feels it's tipping.
Oh, no. Oh, it rolled. Okay, well, it's my turn then because it rolled.
But that's the only one. It was just, like right there, I peeled out and it corrected itself. So
Oh, yeah.
it wouldn't, like flip. But that is the first. That's the first.
The whole time she's driving this, I'm just jealous. I just want to drive it. So come on, pass the controls and then hopefully I don't break anything.
All right, let's see if you can flip it. You usually manage to flip things. That was slow.
I'm just going to feel
Let it
forward on
rip.
this hill. I don't want to break your truck.
I don't want you to break my truck. I'll be mad if you break this one.
I'm not breaking it. Oh, I didn't flip it.
You flipped it, but it didn't stay flipped.
Now this, guys, just so you know, is our 5,000 milliamp 2-cell smart battery. I told you we were going to put these through the ropes and test them all spring and summer for you to see how they hold up. And in this truck, that's what you saw in the speed test video. That's also while we're driving this entire time. The runtime is awesome. And this is just the beginning stages of our testing of these batteries. So rest assured, we're going to test them all spring and all summer long and see how they hold up. But it's performing really well. Nice heavy battery, low CG. What do you think?
It's just fun.
It's a really awesome.
This might be my favorite course truck. What am I trying to say?
Course truck.
Course truck. That. Yeah, favorite ever.
This thing is a blast. It's a really good basher. The shocks are really nice too. It's just all holding up really well.
I like it. Just looks good. Oh man, yes! You're such a good husband.
Well, what do you like about this?
The only thing that matters is that it's fun.
That's right. Yeah, you're right.
Oh my gosh.
You're exactly right. Look at all the dust kicking up.
I like it. I didn't think I would like this so much because it's two-wheel drive, let's be honest. Usually two-wheel drive trucks
don't hold up with four-wheel drive.
But this is really fun.
I mean, they hold up. They just don't compare to four-wheel drive.
Like, I didn't think it would be able to do these little hills.
I agree.
As well as it is. I figured it would be fast. I would be able to race some, but I didn't know if it would perform as well as what it is on the hill. So, I mean, if you're looking for a short course truck, I think this is maybe the one to get.
If you just want top of the line name brand right out of the box. Well, I think we've pretty much determined if you're looking for awesome name brand, top of the line, right out of the box, this is the one to get. I mean, it just is amazing. It has new technology in there. You've got a Spectrum transmitter, and even though it's two-wheel drive, it really, I mean, you saw it, it conquered the hill and everything. It is just a lot of fun. And let's not forget about the speed test from just the other day. It is super fast on a 3-cell battery. I would really like to see how this holds up in a professional race environment on an actual track, because I think this would really keep up with the rest of the competition. And for just $300 right out of the box, I mean, this is a really good setup. 2 giant thumbs up from us. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, we'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. What mom do you guys know in the world that just rocks her baby around and plays with a Losi truck?
Just me.